Hi all, Josh Lager here from Kickoff Labs. Today I'm here with just a really quick tip. What you're looking at is the Kickoff Labs editor. This is where you would edit landing pages. Obviously you probably know you can click in and edit, you can swap images out here. You've probably seen the add content button at the top, which lets you drag and drop additional content into the pages. But what some people overlook is that you can change some page level settings. I want to talk about that really briefly today. These are things that affect everything on the page. On the page level settings, you can go in and choose things like the font. So this way you only have to change the fonts once on a page. So you could choose a different headline font. In this case, I'll just choose Helvetica here. Let's just pick another font that'll stand out. That affects all of the different fonts on the page. I've got the Helvetica as headlines and the body font here. The next thing I want to talk about is we have two different font colors. There's the dark and the light font colors. In dark sections of the page, the default color is white, but let's say I wanted to make that a little bit off-white maybe, or I wanted to make it a bright yellow for some reason. I could choose to do that as well with the fonts on the page. And then the dark font color is probably more common on your light sections background. You could change this to be a little bit lighter or just some really bold color, like maybe I want to have it being purple. And that'll change the dark fonts on the page. And there's also a page level background. It's important to note that a lot of sections have their own background. So if you look at the section settings here, it has a background color set. So if you want to use a page level background, you'll have to change the section settings down to transparent for the page. And then if I go into the page settings and I choose a background image here, let's just add this. You can see that there's a page level background image, but this top section still has a white background. I could change that, make that transparent as well. Now I've got a page level background that stays static. I hope you enjoyed today's tip. I hope this landing page isn't disturbing you too much with my funky design. Come on over to kickofflabs.com to set up your own landing pages, giveaways, promotions, and get your next viral campaign going so you can start growing your business.